To change the angle drive fluid on your Slingshot with AutoDrive, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the parking brake is set. If needed, safely elevate the vehicle to gain access to the drain plug located on the bottom of the angle drive housing. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Place a drain pan underneath the angle drive housing. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Clean the area around the fill plug. Then, remove the fill plug and set aside. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Add the recommended fluid through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. After filling, reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Safely lower the vehicle once completed, and dispose of the used fluid properly. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.